How to clear cache on iPhone. Hello guys, this is Atticus and welcome back to another tutorial video. In today's video, I'll teach you guys how you can clear cache on iPhone. So without any further ado, let's dive right into it. The first step is open up your settings. After you've opened up your settings, you will need to search for your apps. So head over to General and then head over to iPhone Storage. After you're on iPhone storage, you will get the list of your apps down below. So after you're here, you can simply select any one of your apps that you want to clear the cache of. So after you're here, what you'll then need to do is simply tap on offload app. Then tap on offload again, and it should get offloaded. Now doing that will basically clear up your cache, and then you can simply reinstall the app again. Tap on reinstall app and you can start using the app like before again. So what we do after this is we head back again and head over to settings again. So right here we have just cleared the cache for our apps. Now let's clear the cache for our browser. For that, head over to your apps section on the bottom and then simply search for your browser. I'll just open up my Safari. And after you've opened that up, you can scroll down, and after you've scrolled down, you should find an option to clear history and website data. Tap on it and simply clear every history. Doing that will clear up your cache as well. And that's all for today's video, guys. Thanks for watching. Stay tuned for more, and bye bye.